It's a fascia fix, 10 minutes. I hope you're ready. And it's Alana and it's a club 645, place where I became flexible, strong, and healthier. And here we go. We're gonna start with the legs cross. Take deep inhale. Lift both hands up. Wrist lock. Well done. Elevate your shoulders to your ears. Kind of you can feel them. Inhale. Good morning. Exhale. We go to the right side. Inhale. Back to the center. And again we go to the same side. Inhale. Reach up and try to kind of have this feeling that you became 10 centimeters taller. And 3 more. Робимо бокове витяжіння ще 2 рази. Тільки в один бік. Well done. And now here you're going to try to rotate as much as possible. Don't need be much, just a little bit. Like twist. Well done. One more inhale and exhale. Just go as much as feels comfortable for you. For your lateral stretch, you can even bend this arm and maybe press the floor. 4, 3, or you could be nice and tall. 2, 1. Then we're gonna grab this knee and you're gonna do a slight twist. 4. Remember, during the twist, keep your spine long and don't do like this arching. Yeah, your back is straight. 3, 2, 1. Then we're gonna extend this leg and we're gonna bring it as close as possible and come back. Because guess what? At all my class, your body work in every oh my god, all your body works. So even my focus class is still gonna reach full body. That's what I love about it, and it's 10 minutes. And then, or you just hold like this, or we're gonna do extension. 4, 3, 2, well done. And maybe some more lateral stretch. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we switch the leg. Now another leg in front of you. Reach again. Nice and tall. Exhale, we go to side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Well done. And 4. Try to be nice and tall and sit with both sit bones on the mat. Well done. 2. Stay and light twists. And during the twist, the secret is like, I want to be still tall. I don't want to shortcut it here. Yeah, and I hide my ears between my arms. If you don't know how, come to my classes, I will teach you. Well done. And more. And now exhale, you can go deeper. You can bend the arm and be like this, or you could be nice and tall. It depends on your goal today. Both variations are very good for you. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're grabbing this knee. Twist. Exhale. Then we bring in the leg here to the side, and you're gonna bring it to you and come back to you, come back to you, come back to you, come back, and 2 and 1, and maybe here 4, or just hold like this. 3, 2, 1. Well done. And now we on a side stretch for a short while. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now we go for Anahatasana, heart melted pose. Well done. I highly recommend you to keep every muscle engaged in your hands and power in your palms. And from here, we're gonna go for a kind of the cobra with the bended knees and flexed feet and activated shoulders, remember? And now we're gonna draw 4 circles here. 3, 2, 1. Stay nice and tall. Inhale. Exhale. We go to child pose with active feet. Inhale. Exhale here. And 2 more. Well done. Try to notice how my shoulders work. And then activation, the plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or we go to the side plank. Or that could be like this variation. And you stay and breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. If this position is hard for you, you can be right here. The main thing, you're not relying on your joints. You don't stay like this, you stay like this. Знову таки, якщо трошки не виходить відчути оце витяжіння, включити внутрішню сторону, приходьте в Club Yoga, навчу. Та ось ця варіація. Або бокова планка. Main thing, both sides should be trained equally. Well done. And maybe we go to Chaturanga. 4, 3, 2, 1. Upper facing dog. Exhale, we go into the knees and we're gonna do between 5 and 10 push-ups. Any variations? Of course, could be from knees. Try to keep your hips and head on one line and touch with the chest the floor. And 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Just plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now the leg go to the side, because if your hips are stiff, your what would call it, thoracic spine, all upper body is really stiff as well, because hips is stiff, and then everything goes up. So we go a little bit to the folds and lizard, or you can add the knee. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and really universal exercises. This one, I really love it. We go here and then we rotate back foot and we're here. And we switch. Maybe it looks like I just open my arms, but I calibrating my body as well, and I have stretching feeling and muscle activation in all parts. Maybe stay 4, 3. You can bring the knee down and a little bit get more extension to your front line. Well done. Yesterday we had a class, you can find it in my videos, about split. We switch the leg. And I was saying that sometimes if you have the fold, it's zero guarantee that you're going to have a split, and with a split you cannot guarantee as well that you're going to have a fold, because that's different skills, and they engage different fascia lines. Cool fact, right? And we stay here, and now the twists. Don't forget to rotate the back foot as well and bring the hips in as well. Well done. And we stay here. Maybe lower the knee and press 4. As well, make it more interesting. You can be on the elbow. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Now we're gonna finish with the spine base from child pose to the cobra, and don't forget to engage your knees and shoulders. Well done. And 3. Come back. And 2. Come back. Last but not least. And now we're gonna do cobra push-ups. So it could be like a push-up like this, or you can do it through wave. If you need more fluidy feeling, could be both way. And let's add one more, last but not least. Arms to the sides on fingertips. And now we're gonna press shoulder one by one. And again, my chest wanna go diagonal, not just back. Wanna be taller. Прекрасно. Еще. Залишаемся на стороне. We're gonna stay on this side and maybe add lion dancer variation, or any variation which you would like to have with open shoulders. Well done. And now we're gonna finish in a child pose. No, happy baby pose. Last month I dismissed every time this asana. You stay here, or you can extend the legs. And afterwards, I recommend you to stay 10 seconds in a bridge. And maybe, if the bridge in your practice, you go up, maybe walk a little bit. For me, best bridge warm up is little walk in that. And after you lower first the shoulders, keep the glutes high, and in the end you wanna open the legs in butterfly. Here in a nice frog position, diamond pose. Bring your palms to the ceiling, close your eyes, take deep inhale. Hold. Thank yourself for this practice. I thank you for the practice, and have a wonderful day. Hug both knees, bridge massage, few circles from right to the left. Good morning. My super mamas work out with us. Well done. And after, you can add fast twists. If you have soreness in lower back, I recommend you to add maybe one more plank, because if you have soreness lower back, that means you need to compensate it with abs. So thank you so much. Have a lovely day. And I see no questions. Just want to say thank you. Thank you, Mom. And everyone, have a lovely day. The video will be in Club 645, link in bio. Не забуваємо вступати у новий телеграм. Thank you so much. Bye.